If you clicked on this video, you are probably ready to kickstart some lifestyle changes and become a happier, healthier version of yourself. But let's be honest, it is so incredibly hard to know where to start when everything out there is so bloody contradictory. Go vegan, carbs are bad, fats are bad. Don't do HIIT because it raises your cortisol, run for your heart, but don't run because it ruins your knees. No wonder everyone procrastinates making the changes they know they should. But do not fret. Today I am going to lay out the 5 simple, cold, hard rules that I follow to live a healthier lifestyle whilst working full-time as a doctor. No fads, no confusion. Just 5 sustainable rules that actually work long-term. Rule number 1, get out of an all-or-nothing mindset. So many of us fall into a constant cycle between restrictive perfection, where we try to eat absolutely zero packaged food, followed by an inevitable dramatic rebellion against our own strict rules. It simply doesn't work. Being rigid and punishing yourself is not how you make sustainable changes. Even worse, when we set these unreachable standards and inevitably fail, the guilt eats us up, delaying us from trying again. Listen to me. When you have a nutritious, home-cooked lunch before a fast food dinner because you are utterly exhausted, that day is not a failure. When you feel tired but still manage a short walk instead of a grueling 1-hour gym session, that is a massive win. The key to a healthy lifestyle that lasts a lifetime is integration, not restriction. Rule number 2, aim for most of your calories to come from unprocessed versus processed foods. Let's address the elephant in the room. Calories matter for weight management. It's a scientific truth, but calorie counting can become exhausting, unsustainable, and ruin your relationship with food. Instead of obsessing over numbers, shift your focus to food quality. Processed food is heavily manufactured and designed to taste so good that you literally cannot stop eating it. Think about it. It is incredibly easy to demolish an entire bar of chocolate in one sitting. Could you as easily demolish a whole bag of bananas? Unprocessed food, as a general rule, is less calorie-dense but packed with nutrients, giving you much more bang for your buck. Everything in moderation is fine, but making a concentrated effort to crowd out processed foods will naturally reset your taste buds and control your cravings. Rule number 3, do exercise that you genuinely enjoy. The best exercise is simply the one you can stick to. Ignore the fitness trends. 1 year it's heavy weight training, then it's Pilates, and suddenly everyone is running a marathon. Do what works for your unique schedule. When I started working as a doctor, I cycled to work every day. It wasn't sexy, but it meant that even during a 60-hour work week, I automatically got an hour and a half of movement daily without step counting or forcing myself to a gym when exhausted. If you haven't found an activity you love yet, try different classes, try team sports, or explore different movement styles until you find something that doesn't even feel like exercise. Rule number 4, convenience is king. We are all guilty of making lifestyle decisions when we are feeling highly motivated and energized, but we fail to empathize with the future version of ourselves that just finished a brutal week, is completely exhausted, and has zero willpower left. When you have energy, use that time to make healthy choices convenient for your future self. Pick the gym that is actually on your way home or close to your flat, even if it costs a bit more. And remember, convenience food doesn't have to mean junk food. Fruit is convenience food. Microwave whole grain rice, frozen vegetables, and pre-cooked frozen meals are all high-quality convenience foods. Keep them stocked, so the healthy choice is always the easiest choice. And finally, rule number 5, don't bloody complicate it. The wellness industry loves to make things complicated so they can sell you things you do not need. When we feel confused and vulnerable, we look for solutions in a shopping cart. But the truth is beautifully simple. Drink your water, eat your fruit and veg, move your body, see a doctor if something feels wrong, and add basic supplements if you are genuinely missing them in your diet, like a good vitamin D supplement during the gloomy winter months. Don't be fooled by dramatic, contradictory headlines. Living a healthy lifestyle is a lifelong journey, not a short-term punishment. Which of these 5 rules do you need to implement today? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to Healthy Life Path for more science-backed wellness advice. and I will see you in the next video.